Hello again, Rebecca here, and this is my stash made kit. This was everything that I put in, and I just have it in this 12 by 12 iris container. I've used it for, I believe, get out my little calendar because I just don't remember. Every Wednesday I had 2 videos, 2 layouts, except for the very first one and now this one, the last one. So the show you what I'm going to use and show you what I got left. But I was able to get 6 layouts done, and this is what I have left. Didn't really put a dent in it, but that was because I didn't have any pictures. So summer just really got started. I do have these from the last layout I just did. These are just leftover, popped up on some foam tape, and I love it. I don't want to, ruin it. I have this sticker sheet left from the Hello Summer. This thicker sheet, almost got that used. Didn't use anything from Sunshine and Blues, and I didn't use anything from the Best Summer Ever. But that's okay, because I'm going to put all of this in a baggie, and I'm going to bring it out in a couple months and use it again. I don't think I used anything off of that one. This one was a Jen Hatfield. I was able to use a couple of these. I was able to go ahead and I used like one piece out of here, so yay me. I did, however, this one's full, but this one's pretty much empty, and these are my 2 summer embellishments. My Wink Estella, I used that, but obviously you can't use that all up. I tried. I had used some of these, just those little bits and bobbles and things that I put in there. As far as washi, still have a ton of washi. Didn't even open it. I don't even think I used washi, guys, on anything. I did use a couple of these die cuts, just this green. I think I used 4 of them. These are the pictures that I had left over, and I will just stick them in another kit. I do have pieces from this chipboard sheet. I did use quite a bit of it. I was able to use some of those, but those will go back in my stash. I have 1 lonely guy left on this, a couple things left on that. So these will just go back over here in my stash. I won't be leaving them with the kit. I got some doilies. All of these fun embellishments are just going to go right into a baggie. Just so that it stays with the kit, because they kind of go, some of them are die cuts. These are the scraps that I have left from this 2011 paper pad. I did use a couple of these, so I'm kind of happy with that. I'm going to leave that with this kit, though. I had these 2 scraps, these 2, which I am going to put in my recycling. This one I'm going to save because I might be able to use it as a border. This scrap, paper pad, and this scrap. Okay, so the rest of this is full sheets of pattern paper that I did not touch. And it is beautiful. It is, these 3 collections are gorgeous, and so I cannot wait to, we have some plans, social distancing outings where we can just like get out and do something, and mostly because I told my fiance and my son that, guys, I'm running out of pictures to scrapbook for summer. I know that when the fall comes, I'm like love fall into Christmas, the holidays there. So, I always have tons and tons of pictures that get me pretty much into February, and then I have all the pictures from the beginning of the year. So right now it's just a slow time because we're not doing anything. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the kit that I put together and what I've used, and check out my channel. I will be putting together another kit to use for the month of August, and I already have it picked out. Sneak peek. It's Amy Tangerine. Bye, guys.